Good morning. My name is Susana Wong Chan, and I will present our poster on the role of public funding in the initiation and upscaling of collective innovation trajectories. This is a joint work in collaboration with our partners from Dutch and Belgium Customs, Cross Border Research Association, Delft University of Technology, and the University of Lausanne. This research is conducted in the context of the PENCP EU-funded projects. PENCP is a customs innovation network comprising of 13 customs administrations in Europe and 4 research and administration partners. The goal of this network is to boost innovation by matching customs needs and state-of-the-art technology solutions to help customs in addressing pressing challenges. Customs administrations around the world play a key role in international trade. Customs is responsible for controlling the trade flow to ensure safety and security and to collect duties which are essential for financing the governmental budgets. At the same time, customs also has a role to facilitate trade and stimulate economic activities. With the growing volume of global trade and increasing in cross-border e-commerce, fulfilling this task is a major challenge and there is an urgent need for customs to innovate. In PENCP, the goal is to boost customs innovation. First, customs users and state-of-the-art technologies are identified. These technologies include detection technologies, X-ray scanning innovations, AI for image interpretation, data analytics. Second, the user needs are matched with potential solutions, followed by selection and prioritization. Ultimately, for innovations to have an impact in practice, it is important to scale up these innovations to operational environment. PENCP has a number of internal funding mechanisms and other instruments which it can allocate to boost the selected innovations. Opportunity for other funding mechanisms outside the PENCP network are also considered. However, moving from initial innovation towards upscaling is difficult. Many factors, including conflicting interests and business models, can block the collective innovation process and bring them to a standstill. Such a standstill can be seen as a project failure. Recent studies indicate, however, that these standstills do not need to be seen as a failure. Rather, they are part of an innovation trajectory where different initiatives build upon each other and progress through stages like initial research and development and piloting towards implementation. Upscaling can be enabled by unblocking mechanisms like 1. Network reconfiguration, 2. Reframing, and 3. Change of control point configuration. Further continuities such as 1. Continuity of process, 2. Continuity of vision and network, and 3. Continuity of funding are seen as important factors in upscaling process. We examine a case study of the ACXIS project and its upscaling. ACXIS was a EU-funded research and development project involving Dutch customs, other customs administrations, technology providers, and research institutes. It produced tangible results and demonstrated how image interpretation algorithm can lead to improvement in the customs process in better addressing inspection challenges. However, after the research and development phase, the funding ended. After a short period of time, the algorithm started to age and lose their value. Dutch customs did not have capabilities in-house to maintain the algorithm. The further upscaling process got blocked. For overcoming the blockage, it was crucial that one of the main experts involved in ACXIS was in position in Dutch customs to carry on and pursue the vision further. First, internal management support and internal funding for small follow-up projects was secured. Second, Further engagement of X-ray manufacturers was sought by consistently keeping image development as a minor aspect of tender and procurement contracts. These follow up internal and external projects, as well as the continuity of vision, process, and funding were very instrumental in overcoming the blockages and moving the results of ACXIS closer to implementation. Based on the theoretical insights as well as the empirical insights from the PENCP and the ACXIS projects, we developed a process mode for identification, management, and public funding of multiple collective innovation trajectories. For the selection and prioritization phase, it is important to have an expert team per theme to identify high potential innovation trajectories. For the upscaling, it is essential to have also a clear problem owner that drives a specific trajectory. Individual trajectories might be in different phases from initial research and development towards piloting and implementation. These trajectories may evolve through a series of projects and may experience blockages. It is important to identify unblocking mechanisms and ensure continuity of vision, of process, of funding for the further progress. Finally, multiple funding instruments can be deployed in different phases to allow for a smooth transition. The model that we develop can help decision makers and policy makers in their effort for facilitating upscaling of collective innovation towards implementation and impact. Thank you very much.